right, we're here to talk about the Bobcat Mini Excavators. We got the E35, the E42 Extendable arm, and the E60 all sitting here. We're going to spend our time talking about the E42 and the E60, comparing these two machines as they sit side by side. Cody, what's the differences here?
All right, on the E42, you have a 73-inch blade compared to your 77-inch blade on your E60. On your standard tracks on your E60, you have a 16-inch wide track compared to your 14-inch wide track on your E42. On your E42, when you're lifting over your blade, your lift capacity, you're at 4,900 pounds. Now when you're to the side, you're at 2,100 pounds. On your E60, over your blade, you're at 6,400 pounds. To your side, you're at 32. Depth, 10 feet depth on your standard arm on the E42. You get 2.5 more feet with your extended arm. On your E60, you're looking at 13 feet dig depth. All right, here we are looking at the differences on the tail swing. You can see here on the E35, you have your knuckle here still flush with your tracks, and your tail swing back here still flush. So it's a good option to have if you're doing house, work around your houses in between fence lines and stuff like that. We have Chad here. He's going to kind of talk about the different engine specs between three engines.
On the E42, you're going to have a 3-cylinder Bobcat engine. We can go move over to the E60, which you're going to move up to a 4-cylinder engine. But one thing we will show you here is just how easy these machines are to service. Right here you have your oil filter. Check your oil right here. Everything's easy to get to. Air filter, jump right in here and look at your antifreeze. It's so simple to work on. Move around to this side. Your hydraulic filter, and then right back here is your fuel filter, and everything's super simple to get to, and you can look in here and see that Bobcat uses all straight lines, no 90s anywhere. They got the best hydraulics in the business.
We'll have Chad here show you some of the ways this thing functions.
Our knuckle is on this side, so as you turn the house, you're actually leaving that knuckle inside. On the E42, E60, here's your new display. It's a 7-inch touchscreen, so here's your standard gauges. Backup camera, which is not enabled on this machine, but that would be a nice camera there. You can have your phone Bluetooth. The radio is all integrated right into this. Your service screens are in here, as well as your attachments. So all these attachments are in there. If you're running an auger, you can click on that. It tells you what controls do what. Your settings are all in here as well, including, like your job clocks. We don't have any added here, but that is your screen on these new Bobcat Mini Excavators.
Thanks for watching the video. Give us a call at 402-245-2419. If you want any other questions you have, get a hold of me, Chad, and Mitch. We'll help you out. Thanks.